Ito ang aming biyahe papuntang Hong Kong, July 11, 2024. First time namin magkakasama buong pamilya at first time din ni Jayden na sasakay ng airplane. Hello! Good morning mga tsukaran! Wala pang alas 5 ng umaga. Papasyal tayo. Hi, excited? Nakita mo na?
Airplane? Yeah. Ikaw drive?
Hindi. Sakay ako lang.
Sakay ka lang? Titin kita mami yung lagay.
Ay, luluot. Thank you. Ayan, gate 11. Ito na yung gate natin. Yan. Lucky number ni daddy nyo yan. Lucky number ni daddy. Go, go, go.
At dito yung nilalagay natin na sa Roblox. Lucky 11.
Saan si Casey? Hi! Yan, dito tayo maghihintay. Ayan, Jayden.
Diyan na picture na.
Tingin kayo sa airplane.
Ayun o, tignan mo yung numero. Lucky number ni daddy
Oh,
na.
ako din.
Oo.
May number.
Yan. Diyan tayo. Here you go. Our gate was changed from 11 to 13. So we have to move. And now the little boy crying a while ago because the plane left. And now we've learned that the plane moved here on gate 13. So are you happy now, Jayden? Yes, he's happy now. No more crying, right? Oh, wow. He's busy na. Nagwi-whistle pa siya, oh. Tignan ko nga. Aba, marunong pala. Oh. Ay, ang galing nga. Marunong pala siyang mag-whistle. Happy na siya kasi nandyan na yung plane na kanyang sasakyan. Ayan, mga katsukaran. So, dito namin hihintayin ang boarding time, which is 5:30. Ang oras ngayon, ang oras ng lipad ng eroplano ay 6:15. So, dito muna kami. Ayan na si Jayden. So, happy na siya. Hindi na siya crying. Kasi nandito na yung plane na aming sasakyan. Ayan, sasakay tayo ng Cebu Pacific. Papunta tayo ng Hong Kong. Boarding time!
Cebu Pacific Flight 50150 is now inviting guests under boarding group number 4. You will board the aircraft through gate number 30. If you're not part of boarding group number 4, please remain seated.
Hi! Jayden! Hi! Happy?
Tigan ka na. Lagi sali.
Ay, yung mga pusong gala.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt
Nakangiti
and
yung
put your
lalaki.
seatbelt upright. Laptops,
Yes,
mobile
Cecilia.
phones, tablets,
Ah.
and any smart producing allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Jayden here?
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and
Ah,
put
ang
your
likod ko.
seatbelt upright. In your seat pocket.
Jayden,
This aircraft
Andar
is
na?
equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin.
Jayden,
The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide rail.
Ready?
Neutrality. Guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
Oh, you
You
see?
look. Nag-stop?
We are
Jaden?
about to take off. Straighten
We're
out
about
your
to
seats.
stop, okay.
Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open.
Okay.
Tray tables
Oh, mag-take
served.
off na daw.
Voice
Mag-take off na.
communication with the use of mobile phones
Jaden.
is prohibited while
Jaden.
cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and
Later.
Mamaya. Wala kang ganyan, magagalit sila. Huwagan na, huwagan na. Parang masino siya po.
Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo, hawakan mo.
Ginawang ba?
Yan ka sumakay na. Wow, mababay mo na yung airplane. Pag ano, hindi mo na makikita yan. Gabi, madilim. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Welcome to Hong Kong! You're welcome. Thank you! Thank you! Thanks, kayo din! Hi! Yeah! Look at Jaden. He's in a hurry. At heto na nga mga katsukaran. Nakarating na kami ng Hong Kong. Bali, 3 days, 2 nights kami dito. Kaya naman, abangan nyo pa ang aking mga susunod na videos. Thank you for watching! Thank you for watching!